Hi guys, and welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be basically giving up my password to random people and see if they're gonna hack me. I got this idea off of Lily Trescott MSP, so you guys can go check her out and stuff. So I'm just gonna create a new account, so obviously I'm not gonna do it on my main. Okay, so let's just create. I'm gonna just change this up a bit. Let's just keep this. I'm just gonna I'm never gonna be using this account again. So let's just make it the newbiest account. I'm gonna go with this, and then just gonna go with. I just want to make this like really ugly because it's funny. I'm just going to keep those shoes. Actually, no, let's use these. My voice isn't weird then. So let's go with. I need to think of a name. Let's do flower girl. I don't know. You guys, oh my god, of course it's already used. I'm gonna put the password, oh my god, 984, I'm guessing that's not done. What the hell, should I just put 666? This name is not allowed, 667. So I'll be back when I find a name because this is going to take forever. Okay, so I finally found a name and I'm just going to put a password as to like lol123 because why not? Because I'm never going to use this account again. I just want to, you get me. So I don't think I'm gonna like open the presents in that because why would I if I'm not gonna use this account again? I just want to see if I just want to see if anyone actually tries to like hack it or anything. So I just wanna have a look. Maybe I'll just get these main presents here. Because why not? Go away, Pixie. I'm just gonna get this to like try and level up a second. Level up. Let's just get like the ugliest top ever. Actually, because I can't be bothered to wear it. Let's just keep it like that, because why not? Yeah, right, let's go to a chat room. Come on, you're so slow. Oh yes, so anyone can comment down below, like, when's rare week, because I don't know. So I'm just gonna go, Dolly the second. I'm just gonna friend her, because it'll be funny. It's the first hacker I've seen in, like, ages. But Dolly is back. Sure. I'm just gonna say hack me then. Hack me then. She probably won't, to be honest. But the Dolly doesn't talk. Hey, should I be like, hey, what my password? Let's see if she actually does it. Hey, hack me. Oh my god, that's what she looks like though. That's funny. Accept my friend request. I could be your friend. Like your only friend. I'm joking. I will give you. Can we make this small, please? Thank you. Ignore my phone. I'm actually popular. Joking. Thanks. I That's my main account. I'm just gonna give her my IP. My IP is lol123. Like, she probably won't even do it. That's the thing. If she does, I'll be surprised. Hey, hack me. People make this look so easy, like everyone wants to hack them. I'm just like, you know, I'm just gonna message this girl. So she's gonna hack me. Let's just friend her first, like I'm trying to be nice. Hello. I'm so impatient as well, this doesn't help. Right. I'll be back if she's replied, or I'll be back if she hasn't, whatever. Okay, she replied. Okay, I'm just gonna say, do you want my IP? Right, she better be quicker at responding this time. Oh my god, dolly the second. Right, this is boring me because like no one's actually answering me. And you know, hello. Are you gonna hack me? Okay. I might just like, you know, like wait until she replies again. And if she ends up hacking me, then, you know, I'll unpause it and stuff. Wait, no. She hacked me, she's in my account, okay. I want to see if she does the, I don't know what user. Oh crap. Hurry up, MSP, you lag. Oh my god. What was my user? It's like flower. I didn't even knew, this has gone terrible. Oh guys, I'm gonna have to update you part 2 because, no wait, I'm gonna log into one of my other accounts. No, hurry up. I literally have no patience. No, I should have thought this through, but I didn't because I'm so stupid. Oh my god, no. God, what is my password? She literally hacked me, it's like flower. Yeah, I know my password, it's lol, no, lol123. Flower gum. I think I didn't even know, and I'm actually worried. I'm worried. Well, I'm not really worried, but you know, because like it's a crap account. Oh my god, this is actually annoying. Nope. Oh no. Guys, I'm gonna quickly log in on my main account and then see if I can find my other account so I can try and log back in. But you know, let's see how it goes. She's probably changed my password by now, but you know, process of logging to my main, I'm gonna quickly try and find my other account because I'm so forgetful. Right, if I get the account, I'm gonna literally like write it down. So I'm getting a pen. Literally, I just got myself hacked like on purpose. Like I know I was meant to, but like I forgot to write my password and the stuff down. Well, actually, oh my god, she's probably like changed it by now. I give up. I don't really care though. What was it? Flower girl. I can't even remember my own name. What is my problem? I'm so stupid. There are so many flower girls. Guys, I'm probably gonna have to update you all, like, if I get my account back to do more, because I'm gonna have to go back through the video, but you know guys, I'll see you in the next one, bye.